Hi, my name is Pamela Johnson, and I just wanted to take some time to talk about the results that I've had with Dr. Candace Coney and my face that we've been working on for a few sessions, and let you know how happy I am with the results that I'm getting. Some of the things that I've noticed, first and foremost, is the tightness of my skin and the smoothness of my skin. And also the overall color, it seems to be a little bit more glowing, and the complexion is more even toned. I'm also happy with it. I can kind of see my eyelids now where I couldn't before, and a lot of my frown lines are diminishing. So I'm very, very thrilled with the results. Also, the neck line too, when I first started, it was kind of droopy, and it's already starting, you can tell it's getting more and more taut as time goes on. So very, very happy with the results.